Okay, so we now have a game that keeps score, right? We got a score, we keep score and everything like that. And if I save and then I run it, do I see it keeping score? No, I don't know what my score is, right? We need to now display score. And notice I can move using my arrow keys because I have the eight direction. Okay. I'm sure you figured that out already. Okay. And those are all my monsters are dead. I don't think I have any more left. Okay. All right, so let's go check this out. Displaying the score. So we need a text object to do that with. But we also want, if we come back here and do a quick demo again, do you see how it moves? We need to make sure that we have what we call HUD. You guys know what that is, right? Heads up display. And that is a piece of glass overlaying the whole game, and it stays in the viewport so that you can see it all the time. It doesn't stay in one location. It stays, it floats, right? Oh, and I can't die. That's great. All right. So what we need to do is we need to create a new layer, and we're going to name it HUD. So we're going to name a new layer on top. We're going to call it HUD. Sorry, not head. Okay. And then now we need to be careful because now we have two layers. So we need to make sure that we're on the right layer when we're doing things. So they call it parallax. And this means that it keeps it so that it doesn't move. It stays with the, it always stays in the viewport. No matter where the game goes, it stays in the viewport. So let's go quickly do that. Down here, right click. I want to add a layer on top. And I want to name that HUD. There we go. And hit enter. And then I want to come over here. It's not going to be parallax 100, 100. I'm going to have it 0, 0, enter. Okay. And it now sticks to the viewport. So as the viewport scrolls around and moves around, it also sticks with it. Okay, so wherever I put it is where it's going to be. So I'm going to switch back to the layout view, and I'm going to add a text object. And you're going to name it and all this kind of stuff. We'll come back. Okay, so let's go here. So I'm going to double click, and I'm going to do a search for text object. Now be careful. We want a text object. Okay, and I'm going to take the extra step here, and I'm going to name this score, right? But I'm also going to name it with a text at the end. So I know it's a text image. Now, yes, I know it has the image on there. So there it is. It's really, really tiny. And this is what I want it to say. And I can leave it to have the word text in it, but I want it to be noticeable. So I'm going to change, I'm going to allow it. Let's use that one. Doesn't matter. And I want it to be bigger, and I want it. Sorry, I am sick. Oops, I don't want it smaller. All right, I'm going to just do it this way. 24. Sorry about that. I had to pause and come back. And I want it bright. So I want it like a bright neon yellow, maybe. Oh, that's kind of limey green, huh? There we go. That's a bright yellow. If I change this to 255, there we go. Get a pure yellow. Top, left, right. Yep. Word wrapping. See, that's nice and big. So now I got to fix it just a little bit. There we go. I also need to get it in the right position here. I need it to be in this top there. I don't want it right up against, but thereabouts is good. So what we did is we set the how it looks right here, reasonable, lighter font, all that good stuff. Now we need to update that. And how we do that is in every tick, we're going to set the text in the text box. But we need to do this sneakily. Okay, this is with an ampersand symbol. It's called concatenation. Concatenation. You know that song when you probably give me an S, give me a P, give me an I, give me an R, right? Right, Spirit? Okay. So the stuff in the quote is actual text, and the space right there is actually text. And then the ampersand symbol says to take this text and then add this value to it. Okay, so let's go do that. I'm going to go back into my event sheet. So in every tick, we're going to set text, right? We're going to set text. So set, that was helpful, right? How about text? There we go. And next, and now, see how they already give us the quotes there? Now we want to watch out for capitals and we want to watch out for that space. Here we don't have to worry about space at all. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why it's really important to do with lowercase, because you can see that they're different. Okay, you see how one's cap and one's lowercase. Done. So there we go. So now as I play my game, I'm going to save. Wait for it to save fully. I'm going to play it, and now I'm going to shoot. Okay, there it is. Yay! I got a point. Okay, and I'm going to go and get this point. There we go. And where's that other? Where are they? There they are. There's another one. And I think I have 7 on here. There we go. Right there. Ooh. Oh! 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 Come on. Oh, it's not going to come back up. I can't get to it because, hold on. Oh, I can't get to it. It's underneath. Right there. See? All right. I don't know where he went. I bet you he's up here somewhere. Nope. He's down here. There he is. I win. Okay. Enough of that. Okay. So let's go see. Is that everything? That's everything. I'll be right back.